Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passions. Now I will display some exclusive, outstanding, festive pesos handloom sarees collections only for you. So let me display all are very beautiful, bright color combinations. For more collections, please visit our showroom at Kolkata. All over India, free delivery, cash on delivery also available. And this one very beautiful, bright color combinations, bright parrot green shade, all over handloom saree, all over weaving zari, weaving design work, temple pattern with additional weaving border design, and pallu portions contrast royal blue shade with beautiful zari weaving polka and traditional design work. Very fresh, bright looks, best for your festival. Golden zari border and all over border portions fully fine temple and jamdani design work, all over base and fully weaving work, and all over polka design. Very fresh, bright looks, running blouse piece, contrast color with work, and represents this silk material, embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your outstanding looks. Next one also nice color combinations, very bright one, handloom material, cotton silk, pure handloom cotton silk, zari border, all over weaving buta design, very elegant fresh looks. This one is full base part, all over weaving buta design, small buta, and pallu portions fully fine weaving design worked pallu, soft material, pure handloom cotton silk material with fine hand weaving design work. This one is full base part, handloom saree, all over buta, golden saree border, best for your festival, running blouse piece, and it is the silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, very fresh, bright one, soft material, pure handloom cotton silk material, golden saree border, all over weaving design work, all over fine weaving buta work, very bright one, bright fresh parrot green shade with golden saree weaving buta design. And this one is running blouse piece, fully contrast color with weaving buta work, and pallu portions contrast color with fine zari weaving traditional heavy worked pallu, soft material, and this silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one nice color combinations, very fresh, bright one, bright green shade, dark green, contrast red border, cotton silk material, all over zari weaving design, heavy worked, all over base, very bright beautiful one, all over zari weaving work, soft material, running blouse piece, contrast border, and pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and all over heavy work, very beautiful bright one. And this is the silk material, brocade work, silk brocade work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your bright looks. Next one also nice color combinations, dark coffee brown shade, all over sequin design work, handloom cotton silk material, all over highlighted sequin stripes design, and lightweight also, handloom cotton silk material, all over highlighted sequin stripes design, and pallu portions this one is pallu portions, beautiful traditional zari weaving jamdani design worked pallu, very beautiful bright looks, all over sequin stripes with jamdani work. And it is this silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your bright looks. Nice color combinations, very beautiful bright one, muslin silk cotton material, very soft one, fine material, golden zari border, all over sequin stripe design, very smart elegant looks, all over highlighted sequin stripes pallu portions, muslin pallu with beautiful jamdani weaving buta design, all over pallu, soft material, lightweight muslin silk cotton base with all over highlighted sequin stripes design, golden zari border, very bright beautiful looks, bottle green shade, running blouse piece, contrast color, and represents the silk material, weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And next one white and red contrast looks, handloom cotton silk material, based for your festival, all over jamdani buta, contrast color, ikat border, fresh elegant looks. This one full base part all over highlighted contrast red ikat border with sequin design work and pallu portions contrast color with weaving sequin design and jamdani buta, very exclusive elegant looks, white and red contrast looks, ikat contrast border all over jamdani buta also, and this one is border portions contrast color ikat border all over sequin weaving stripes design running blouse piece, and it has the silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with the saree for your bright looks. And next one, nice color combinations, fresh one, handloom material, handloom cotton silk, golden zari border all over weaving buta design. This one is border portions highlighted golden zari stripes pattern border all over hand woven buta design, bright fresh looks. This one is full base part all over buta work, running blouse piece highlighted stripes and pallu portions, fully fine weaving design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, golden zari stripes with weaving design worked pallu, soft one, lightweight, and the silk material heavy work contrast blouse piece with the saree for your beautiful bright looks. Next one also nice color combinations, pure handloom cotton silk material all over weaving design work. This one full base part all over fine weaving buta design, multicolor threaded, and this one is border portions contrast color with fine heavy weaving design worked border all over hand woven buta design, bright color combinations, and this one running blouse piece and pallu portions weaving multicolor threaded weaving highlighted design worked pallu, and this one is border portions heavy work, and this is the silk material mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Nice color combinations, very bright one, khadi material elegant looks, gray shade all over contrast color threaded weaving border design, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base part all over fine weaving buta design, and this one is border portions fully threaded weaving highlighted border, gray base pallu portions contrast color with fine weaving design worked pallu, soft material lightweight pure handloom khadi cotton with traditional weaving design work all over fine weaving design, border also contrast color threaded weaving design, running blouse piece contrast color, and besides the silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful looks. Next one also nice color combinations, very beautiful bright one, same pattern same material different color, khadi cotton handloom khadi cotton with traditional weaving border design all over buta work, very fresh elegant looks. This one is full base part all over fine weaving buta design, border portions beautiful threaded weaving design worked border all over buta, fresh elegant looks, running blouse piece contrast color based for your festive wear, pallu portions contrast color with fine weaving design worked pallu, bright beautiful elegant looks, and this is the silk material mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Next one also a beautiful bright color combinations based for your festive wear, party wear, premium quality handloom cotton silk material, golden zari border all over zari weaving buta and threaded weaving buta design, border portions temple weaving temple design worked border and bright face red shade, very elegant looks and premium quality cotton silk, running blouse piece, pallu portions highlighted jamdani buta with weaving design temple work, very nice trendy looks. This one is full pallu portions all over buta work, and this cotton fabric nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart elegant looks. Nice color combination, very beautiful bright one, handloom cotton silk material, all over stripes design and beautiful feather like weaving stripes design, very smart bright looks, multicolor stripes with feather like weaving highlighted detailing design, very smart elegant looks, handloom cotton silk material, all over stripes, running blouse piece contrast color and pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes with beautiful weaving design worked pallu, soft material handloom cotton silk and it is the silk material, heavy traditional Banarasi design work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your bright looks. Next one, nice color combinations all over weaving design work, handloom cotton silk material, all over threaded weaving design, heavy worked all over base weaving border, all over buta design. This one is border portions, fully zari and threaded weaving highlighted border, all over design work, handloom cotton silk material, and this one is a pallu portions, same weaving design work all over pallu portions. Nice bright color combinations, weaving work and all over multicolor threaded weaving, buta design and highlighted border, very elegant bright look, handloom cotton silk material, running blouse piece and it is the silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Next one, nice color combinations, khadi cotton material, khadi cotton silk material, all over weaving work, face parrot green shade, all over threaded weaving fine work, all over base, very elegant phrase looks, this one is full base part, all over threaded weaving design, based for your festive wear, elegant phrase looks, running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece and pallu portions, fully fine weaving design worked pallu, this one is pallu portions, very bright phrase looks. And it says this silk material ikat work on weaving ikat work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful color combination, soft material, pure handloom cotton silk material, grey shade and all over border portions, highlighted multicolor threaded weaving temple design, all over jamdani buta, very fresh trendy looks, and this one pallu portions dark maroon shaded with highlighted ikat stripes with jamdani buta design, very elegant fresh looks, dark grey shade with red contrast pallu and all over multicolor threaded weaving jamdani buta design, running blouse piece, plain running blouse piece and this is the silk material, mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant bright looks. Next one, nice color combinations, red, maroon, red and blue contrast looks and full border portions, threaded weaving design work, all over hand weaving buta design, handloom cotton silk material, bright red shade and this one is border portions, fully fine multicolor threaded weaving highlighted border, pallu portions royal blue shade with multicolor threaded weaving buta design, very fresh bright looks, maroon and blue contrast looks and all over weaving buta design, multicolor threaded weaving buta, and this one is border portions, handloom cotton silk material, all over threaded weaving design work and soft material, lightweight bright looks, running blouse piece and it is the silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Next one, nice color combinations, green and red contrast looks, handloom cotton silk material, all over weaving buta design and border portions, fine design worked border, and this one is pallu portions, bright red shade with weaving buta work pallu, soft material, handloom cotton silk material, all over weaving buta design, bright one, this one is border portions, fully threaded weaving heavy worked border but soft material, all over weaving work, running blouse piece and it is the silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful color combinations, bright royal blue shade pink contrast pallu and all over zari weaving design work, handloom cotton silk material, all over fine weaving buta design all over piece. Pallu portions contrast color pink shaded with traditional weaving buta design all over pallu, handloom cotton silk material, soft material, lightweight, and this one is full base part all over weaving buta design, border portions highlighted fine weaving work, bright one running blouse piece, and this is the silk material heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your outstanding bright looks. And today I have different beautiful saree, very nice color combinations, handloom cotton silk material all over multicolored threaded weaving buta design, weaving buta, border portions also in a contrast color with fine weaving design worked border, bright one, pallu portions contrast red shaded with weaving buta work pallu. Bright fresh looks, beautiful saree and designer blouse. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.